friend, eh?
Get him, bro.
Smelling it.
Take a picture, bro.
We'll get rushed after mom.
Every day when I come to look for elephants, is the one I was looking. I told you, eh? This is done, eh?
Oh, look at the balls coming.
One of the bulls.
The ball is coming.
There's two tiny ones, eh? 4 months, 3 months.
Ask him, please move back.
Push you out of it.
He's just trying to paint. Yeah, the elephants are coming this way.
How is the weather? So the elephant here, they lead by one big female that we call a matriarch. The oldest one. So she's full of experience how to lead the herd to find water or in a drought season or where to. Because you must remember, elephants, they don't use that we call a territorial. They are not territorial, but they use a home range. A home range is bigger than territory, and a home range can overlap to each other head of